this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you how to cook Pukka pies in the air fryer. I've been asked a lot about these types of pies and what they're like in the air fryer, so I thought I'd give them a go and just show you how easy they are to cook from frozen in the air fryer. So I have got the beef and vegetable Pukka pies, but you could use any. And then you can do any frozen chicken pie in the air fryer, or beef or vegetable, whichever you prefer. And the good thing about the air fryer is it's suitable for foil trays in the air fryer, and they are just perfect. And then of course you can do just one, or you could do four. The cook time remains the same whether you're doing one or four. So what remains to do, open up your air fryer basket, just pop them in there. I find that 2 perfectly fits this size of air fryer. It's a Philips Air Fryer XL. If you've got a dual, you could do some in each drawer, or if you've got a dual, what's stopping you from doing frozen chips in one side, pie in the other, or doing something similar depending on what you fancy for dinner. So I'll just put those 2 to one side for now. So in the pot, you're looking for 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And we're going to start with a cooking time of 15 minutes, and then we can check them and see if they need any longer, and then press start.
Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details.
And we've beeped. So shall we check on these Pukka pies? Oh wow, don't they look fantastic? The good thing about doing the Pukka pies in the air fryer is that they go lovely and golden naturally, but if you want to, you can add some egg wash on them as well. But can you believe it? 15 minutes in the air fryer for a frozen pie. So normally find a plate, and then you can use the edge of a tea towel. It's brilliant so that you don't burn yourself when you're getting them out. But look at them babies, don't they look fantastic?
Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the complete air fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to RecipeThis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.